Good morning everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Office Sara 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the another session on the Indian economy and Indian financial system. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, those candidates who have joined us already, do let me know, is audio video both are okay? Are we good to go? So let's start. Before starting the session, if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application here, then do download the application, because here you will find all the content regarding your JAIIB, CAIIB bank promotion exam, the quizzes, the details of the upcoming batches, everything will be available here. Now, if you have not subscribed the channel Officer Sara 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, so let's start. In today's session, we are going to cover the what is financial system, what actually is financial system and how it is working, what are the components of the financial system that we are going to discuss today. So first of all, if I talk about financial system, what is financial system? One second. Financial system is simply a system in which we have discussed so many times. Financial system is simply a system in which exchange of funds will be done. Okay, what we are doing, there are certain person who have surplus of money. They have surplus money. And there are certain members, there are certain person who have deficit of money. Okay, so there are certain member who have surplus money and there are certain member who have deficit of money. Now, if I talk about the financial system, now financial system helps us to exchange that fund. Hana, they help us to exchange the funds among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. This is actually the financial system is, which exchange the funds from the persons who have surplus money to the persons who have deficit of money. Now, how we will be able to exchange this money, that will be defined under the financial systems component. So there are, if I talk about financial system, the financial system have a certain components. There are three types of components. First we have financial market. First we have financial market. The platform or the place where the people are exchanging their funds, that is known as financial market. So first we have a financial market. And what is financial market? Financial market is simply a market in which persons with each other exchanging their funds. Okay, if I talk about the second instrument or second component, that will be a financial instrument. That will be a financial products, or you can call a financial instrument. Okay, these are the products by which we are exchanging our funds, that is known as your financial product. And the third one will be your market participant. Market participant means the people who are participating in the exchange of the funds. Okay, so first of all, financial market is what? Financial market is a market in which the funds will be exchanged among the persons. Second, financial products are those instruments by which we are exchanging the funds with each other. And the market participants are the persons who are using financial products in the financial market to fulfill their need of money. So this is known as the component of financial system. This is known as the financial system, which helps us to exchange the funds. Now, who will become the mediator here? The banks and financial institution will become the mediator here. Okay, so this is what the financial system is. Let's understand this in all detail. So first of all, we are going to discuss here about what is financial system. So you can see it is written here that a financial system is a set of institution. What is financial system? It is a set of institution, for example, your banks, your insurance companies, your stock exchange, that permits the exchange of funds that is known as your financial system. So what is financial system? Simply a type of system in which a set of institutions are available. It can be a bank, it can be your NBFC, it can be your corporates or your insurance company, anything else. So these are the mediators who are making it possible to exchange the funds among the people who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. Apart from that, there are certain, we can say, financial system exists on firm, regional and global level. So financial system is working at every level of your country and the world. In the international market, we can see there are international organizations which are making it possible for the countries to exchange their fund. In the domestic level, we can see we have a banks or we have a financial institution which are making it possible for us to exchange the fund. So it works at every level, at global level, at regional level, at national level. It has everywhere. Now borrowers, lenders and investors exchange current funds to finance the project, either for consumption of or the productive investment, and to pursue a return on their financial assets. So it's very simple why people are exchanging funds. May be possible that they want a money for their project, that's why they are exchanging fund, first reason. Second, it can be their investment in the future to earn your money. Okay, for example, I have surplus money, I just want to get the certain rate of interest. That's what it is saying. First, you are taking money to finance your project. Second, for consumption, you want to purchase certain goods and services, or productive investment, you want to do something productive investment that in future will be giving you return, and to pursue a return on their financial assets. Like you have a certain financial assets, you are not right now using that asset, so you can give it to the another person and you can earn on money that. Okay, so that's what we are saying. So the financial system also includes a set of rules and practices that borrowers and lenders use to decide which projects get financed, who finances project, and terms of financial deals also. So what we are saying, that the financial system also includes your set of rules, your practices, the borrowers and lenders use to decide which projects get finalized, who finance the project, and the terms of financial deals, etc. Everything will be defined under the financial system. Why? Because let's say we know banks are providing loan to the customer. Now customer is not returning the loan, there is an NPA, there is a credit risk. Now if there is no set of rules, bank will provide loan to anybody. Now there is certain rules. If you want to take a loan from the bank, first of all the bank will check your credit history, bank will check your source of income, bank will check the purpose of loan, bank will check the collateral which you are giving for a loan. So there is a process. Bank will check your CIBIL score. There is a process, there is a standard which you have to follow while you are getting while you are giving loan or while you are getting loan. These process or these standards you have to follow. If these standards will not be there, the collateral criteria is not there, the third party criteria is not there, and bank is just giving loan to the people. Now that will create more harsh condition for the country, because more NPA will be generated. You are not taking collateral, you are not taking third party guarantee, so people will easily do fraud. Now that's what we are talking about here, that the financial system it also includes the set of rules, the set of practices, the code of conducts, so that no fraud or no we can say the kind of activity happen which is going to harm the banking system or the financial system or the public who are participating in these systems. Okay, so this is what we have discussed about the financial system. Next, financial system, if I talk about, these are the three components we have seen. First is financial market, financial instrument, and the market participants. Let's understand these one by one. If I talk about the financial market is divided into mainly three categories. Actually there are two major types of market that are very famous, but three are very important. Like we have a money market here. So money market is a short-term market which is regulated by RBI. Okay, money market is what? It is a short-term market. It is regulated by RBI, and this money market is providing services in which you will be able to raise your fund for the short-term period. So what is money market? Money market is a market which is regulated by RBI. In this market, we use the short-term financial assets to fulfill the need of money. So we need a money for the short period of time, which are which is less than 1 year. For that purpose, we are using the money market in which RBI will be checking all the activities. So if you talk about the money market, so do remember that money market is regulated by RBI. Money market is a market in which short-term financial assets will be used, which are close substitute of money. Why close substitute of money? Because you can easily convert those assets into money. Okay, so that will be known as your money market. The second market, an important second market, will be your capital market. Now, capital market is a market which is regulated by SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. That's a instrument, that's a regulatory body of our country's investment market. So SEBI regulates the investment market in India. So SEBI regulates the capital market also. So what is capital market? Capital market is a long-term market in which, by using shares, bond, debentures, etc. instruments, we are capable of fulfilling our needs of money for more than 1 year. So in the money market, you will be capable of fulfilling your money, or you will be capable of raising your money for less than 1 year. In capital market, it will be for more than 1 year. Money market will be regulated by RBI. Capital market will be regulated by SEBI. Okay. Now, if I talk about another third one, that is a forex market. That is also known as foreign exchange market. The third one is a forex market, or we can call it a foreign exchange market. Now, what is forex market? What is foreign exchange market? Let's discuss that. So first of all, the forex or foreign exchange market is what? A type of market in which foreign currencies trade will be done. So when you are trading on the foreign currency, when you are exchanging the foreign currency for the trade purpose, that will be known as your forex market, and it is also regulated by RBI. So the money market and forex market is regulated by RBI. The capital market will be regulated by SEBI. Okay, next. Financial instrument. Now, financial instrument can be a lot of type. Like for example, CASA is one of the financial instrument. CASA, RAFA, current account, savings account, recurring account, fixed account, because these are helping us to exchange fund. Like one person has deposited money in a bank in the current account, that money will be given as a loan to the another person. Now, what is this? This is known as your exchange of funds. So CASA is there, current account, savings account, recurring account, fixed account. Okay. Apart from CASA, we have shares, we have bonds, we have debentures, your mutual funds, okay, we have mutual funds. Apart from that, next we have derivatives, etc. So all these are the financial instruments which can be used to exchange funds among the persons who have surplus money and the persons who have deficit of money. Okay, these are all are the instruments. Now don't worry if you don't know any of these instruments, we are going to discuss that in detail. So if I talk about shares, bond, debentures and derivatives, all these are the part of the capital market. There are another instrument also like call money, notice money, commercial paper, certificate of deposit, all these are the money market instrument. There is a mutual fund also. So all these will be discussed when we are going to discuss the financial market in detail. Okay, now the market participant can be any person, can be any institution. It can be NBFCs, it can be banks, okay, NBFCs, banks. Next, it can be your primary dealers. Primary dealers were introduced by Reserve Bank of India in 1995 for the selling and purchasing of government securities. For the purpose of selling and purchasing of government securities, RBI has introduced the primary dealers. Okay. Apart from that, we have a corporates. Corporates can come here. We have RBI. RBI can participate. We have Government of India. Government of India can participate here. Apart from that, we can have an individual person, investors. Like you and me can also participate. Then we have portfolio managers. They can also participate. okay, etc. So all these are the market participants who are participating in the market, in the financial market, to fulfill their need of money. So all these are what? All these are the market participants who are participating in the market, right? Next, so this is what we have discussed in today's session about the financial institutions, like what is financial institution and what work they are doing. Okay, now if you have any doubt in the financial system, let me know. So we have discussed what is financial system, then we have discussed what are the components of the financial system. Now let me know if you have any doubt. Till then, I will let you know that 81% off is going on if you use the code Y496. So these are the two batches which are starting from 13th of January. So you will get 81% discount in all the batches of the right now JAIIB, CAIIB or bank promotion exam also. So these are the batches which are starting from 13. In the English medium batches, I will be starting Indian economy, Indian financial system and principles and practices of banking from the 13th of January. So if you have not enrolled yet, then do enroll so that we will be able to cover the live sessions of both the subjects. These are the batches in which conceptual classes of all the 4 subjects will be available. Apart from that, there is a JAIIB CAIIB Mahapak also. In the Mahapak, you will get the double validity. Right now, 12 plus 12 validity will be available here. Here 6 plus 6 validity and here also 6 plus 6 validity with the 81% discount, and the code you have to use will be Y496. Now, what is the difference between the target batch and the JAIIB CAIIB Mahapak? In target batch, you will be only covering the conceptual classes, okay? But when it comes to the Mahapak will be covering the conceptual classes. Apart from that, it will be covering your MCQ batches, case study batches, numerical batches, revisions batches, e-book test series. Everything will be available to qualify the exam, and both for JAIIB CAIIB in the JAIIB CAIIB Mahapak. So these are the benefit you are getting in the JAIIB CAIIB Mahapak. Okay, now how to enroll? How debentures work? Actually, debentures are what? One second. Okay, how the debentures are working? First of all, the debentures are debt instrument. The debentures are debt instrument. Okay, debentures are debt instrument. It means on debenture you are taking a debt. Debt instrument means we can simply say loan instrument. You can call it a loan instrument because in debenture, whenever a company is issuing a debenture, a company has to return a fixed rate of interest. A fixed rate of interest should be returned by the company to the person who has invested in their debentures, and that should be done at a fixed maturity period. So whenever a company is issuing a debenture, company will give a fixed maturity period, and with the fixed maturity period, the company is also going to pay you a fixed rate of interest. Because a fixed rate of interest is coming, and after a certain while your money is definitely going to be returned to you. That's why the debt instrument it is known as. It means companies taking loan from the public, whoever investing in their particular market, in their particular company. So this is the debt instrument. That's a loan instrument that provide funding to the bank companies, but the company has the obligation that they have to return the money after a certain period of time with the rate of interest. Clear? Now, how to enroll? Just click on the JAIIB CAIIB section. If you want to go with the JAIIB target batch, you can click in the JAIIB 23. If you want to go with the JAIIB CAIIB Mahapak, you can click here. So this is the target batch right now. You can go and watch. So click on the view all, you will find all the batches which are available. All these are the batches which are available on the application. Okay, now how to enroll? Just click on the particular batch. English medium batch is available. The batch is starting from the 13th of January. Batch is starting from the 13th of January, and these are the schedule plans which is available for Indian economy and PPB. That is starting from the 13th of January. Okay, to enroll you have to click on the buy now. When you click on buy now, NBFC stands for non-banking financial companies. These are the companies which are taking deposit from the public, but only the term deposit, not the demand deposit. Nishi, I have discussed the difference between banks and NBFC in the last class. Do make sure you check that. So I have discussed in very detail that what is the difference between bank and NBFC. So first of all, it stands for non-banking financial companies. They are the companies which provide advances and loans in a particular segment segment which are risk free, not in the risky sector. They provide loan in the risk free. Like the NBFC cannot provide loan to the agriculture sector because that's a risky sector. Okay, so they provide loan and advances to the risk free sectors, or I can say risk free assets. They do accept the deposit, but only they accept the term deposit, not the demand deposit. Clear? Now, how to enroll? This is the way you can enroll. Here you have to use a code that I have told you. One second. This is the code Y496 you have to add here. Okay. Now, after adding the code, you will find here that the 80% discount is showing because 1% additional discount will be available if you use the coins. 6 months validity is there. JAIIB for all the 4 subjects will be clear here, covered here. Now you have to pay around 37 or 3800 to get in the target batch. Now the more best option for you will be JAIIB CAIIB Mahapak, because right now there is a double validity is also going on. So just click on the particular product. Do read all the details. 12 plus 12 months validity. It means 2 years validity is there. And the 2 years validity is sufficient to qualify your exam, that is the JAIIB and CAIIB both. Okay, do read all the details. It will be covering JAIIB all subjects, CAIIB all compulsory, and the elective paper all will be covered. Bilingual English medium both batches are available. So do read all the details. After reading all the details, you have to click on the buy now. So these are the details. These are the mentors who are going to guide you here. So click on the particular buy now option. When you click on buy now, this window will open. You have to enter a code Y496 and click on the apply. When you apply, you will find here the discount of 81% will be given to you by using the coins. 12 plus 12 month validity will be there. JAIIB and CAIIB both will be covered, and you have to pay only around 10,000 something to enroll in the particular batch. So for a single target batch, you have to pay around 37 or 3800 here. The JAIIB CAIIB for 2 years with revision classes, MCQ batches, numerical batches, your conceptual classes, ebooks, test series, everything for the next 2 years will be covered here by paying around 10,500 something kuch. So do remember, but this offer is available till 12 PM today. After that, this offer will end, and the code to enroll will be Y496, and the discount is 81% plus the double validity. So that's a very good opportunity for all of you to enroll. Okay. So this is the information about the batches, which is starting from 13th of January, and the offer is going to end till 12 PM today. After 12 PM, this offer will not be there. So if you are thinking about enrolling, do it soon. Okay. So let's end the session here. Before ending the session, if you still have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section if you are watching the video after it ends. And last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Offices Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay. So thank you for joining the session and have a very great day. Thank you.